Hi everyone. Can you please confirm if we are live?
Hi all, let us know if the audio is clear. Please tell us. Please let us know. Is the audio clear? Audio, video, please
Everything
let
is
us know.
fine. Yeah. Okay. Deepak, I think everything is good.
So, hi all, we are very excited to launch the GATE DA course, GATE Data Science and Artificial Intelligence course. We are very excited to bring you this course. Okay, so in this video, we are going to tell you all the details about this GATE DA course by goclasses. Okay, so before we discuss all the details, let me tell you that this year GATE has introduced a new course, that is data science and artificial intelligence. So this GATE DA, this new course GATE has introduced. Okay, and this is very exciting course. Basically a new course has come. Nowadays nowadays machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, these are the fields in which students are going. Okay, these are the fields in which students want to do their specialization. Okay, so I can say that this is very good opportunity for students, that GATE has introduced this new course. Okay, so this is a new test paper, you can notice, new test paper in data science and artificial intelligence. Now, what is the syllabus of this GATE DA course? What is the syllabus? So you can see this is the syllabus, and the syllabus you can find in the description. The link of the syllabus, this link we will provide you in the description. You can check it out, this syllabus. Now let me tell you that we have already made one video. You can check it out. We have already created one video on this GATE DA syllabus discussion. Okay, so if you want to know the syllabus analysis, okay, GATE DA syllabus analysis, if you want to know, then you can watch this video. You can find this video on the Go Classes YouTube channel. Okay, you can search it. The link we will provide you in the description. Okay, so this video you can watch to know the syllabus of GATE DA, the complete analysis of this GATE DA syllabus. Okay, we will provide you this video in the description. You can check it out. Now, let me tell you that before the syllabus came, you can see, before the syllabus came, Sachin sir has had already predicted what is going to be the syllabus on the Go Classes Telegram channel. Okay, on the Go Classes Telegram group, you can check it out. So some student was asking any idea about the GATE DA syllabus. Okay, and this is before the GATE DA syllabus came. Okay, so before that you can already notice Sachin sir had already replied that the syllabus might be, you can see, I think that syllabus will be topics like data structure, algorithm, linear algebra, probability, statistics, calculation, optimization, discrete mathematics, and machine learning algorithm. And let me tell you, this is the exact syllabus. This is the exact syllabus. Okay. The only thing that is missing, that is, I think, DBMS, right, Sachin?
Yes,
So
yes.
I think only DBMS is missing.
Yeah.
That is the exact syllabus that has come. Okay, so anyway, you can watch this video to know the syllabus analysis. In this video, we have done the analysis of the complete syllabus. Okay, so that video you can watch. Now, so let me discuss. Okay, and one more thing, in this video, in the GATE DA syllabus analysis, in this video, these are the questions we have answered. These are the questions. For example, can you appear for both the test, CS, GATE CS and GATE DA? Yes, you can appear. Okay, you can appear. So basically these questions we have already discussed. All these questions, you can notice all these questions are covered in the previous live session. In this live session, we have already discussed. The link we will provide you in the description. Okay, so link, you can check the link in the description we will provide you. You can watch this video to get to know the answer of these questions. All these questions we have discussed. Okay. Now let's come to our topic, that is GATE DA course launch. So as you know that basically a new course we are launching. Go Classes is launching a new course for this GATE DA, and let us give you all the details about this course. But before giving you all the details, I want to tell you who will be teaching you this course, who are the faculty for this course, that I want to tell you. Okay, so let's discuss who will be teaching you this course. Okay, so let me introduce our faculty, Vishal Saleh. So Vishal will be teaching you machine learning course. He will be teaching you machine learning course, and let me give you his introduction. You can see Vishal is Google Fellowship Scholar. He has received Google Fellowship. He is he is PhD student in IIT Delhi. He has done MTech from ISC Bangalore. He is ex-Amazon applied scientist for 2 years, and he is GATE All India Rank 7, GATE Computer Science All India Rank 7. So from the credentials, you can easily notice how much Vishal is eligible to teach you this course. Okay, you can just check all these credentials. Right. Okay, so one thing I can tell you, this GATE DA course, the faculty who are teaching you this course, they are very much, I can say, they are very much eligible to teach you the course. Okay, these are not random, I can say, it's not like random faculties. No, these are expert of their field. You can see the credentials of Vishal. Okay, he is already, you can see, for 2 years he was applied scientist in Amazon. For 2 years, applied scientist. And currently he is Google Fellowship Scholar. So Vishal will be teaching you this course. Another faculty is Arpan Mangal. Arpan Mangal is also very much eligible to teach you this course. Arpan has done MTech from ISC Bangalore. He is currently research engineer in American Express. He is data scientist. He is data scientist in American Express. Okay, and he is so for last 2 years he is data scientist. Okay, in American Express, and he is ex senior software engineer in Samsung, and in GATE Computer Science his rank was All India rank 29 and All India rank 32. Okay, so these are his rank. Arpan Mangal, he has done MTech from ISC Bangalore. Okay,
Also,
so he will be teaching you.
yeah,
Yes, Sachin. Yes.
also about Arpan, since he was my batchmate, so I know him pretty much well academically. So he has like as far as I remember, he has secured more than 8.5 and 9 pointers in out of 4 semesters. I think in 2 semesters he has secured more than 9 pointer, which is like extremely difficult in ISC. So if someone is getting 9 plus CGPA in some semester, it is too good to consider. So let me tell you one small story about Arpan. So what happened that in our after the first year was over, that there was internship interviews. So in that internship interview or some company interview, like some Microsoft or some company was there. So interviewer was asking Arpan that what is one thing that is you are proud of. So I remember that Arpan replied, because Arpan told me after the interview. Arpan replied that I'm proud of that I'm the topper of the batch. So at that time, like he was the topper of the batch. Vishal was also one of the topper, but in terms of the CGPA, Arpan was topper at that time. So Arpan replied that I remember his statement that I'm proud of being a topper, because it's extremely difficult to be a topper in ISC or IIT Bombay or in any other top tier 1 college. So this is one thing that I would like to mention about Arpan.
So you can see the credentials. This is what I'm saying. The faculty who are teaching you this course, the faculty details you can see. Okay, so these people, they know they know data science and artificial intelligence. They have worked in this domain. Okay, for more than 2 years, they have worked in this domain. So they all are, I can say, very much eligible to teach you this course. Okay, so I have given you the introduction of Arpan Mangal, and another faculty is Pragati Kumar Singh. Pragati is also data scientist for last 3 years in the company Plumburger. Okay, so I think, is this the correct pronunciation? So anyway, this is a very good company, a top company. Okay, and he is data scientist in this company for last 3. And Pragati has done MTech from ISC Bangalore. He is GATE All India rank 59. And Pragati was my batchmate. Vishal and Arpan, they were Sachin sir's batchmate in ISC Bangalore, and Pragati was my batchmate. And I know how much, basically, how much good teaching skills Pragati has. Okay, the teaching skills of Pragati and the knowledge of Pragati, all these things, they will help you in this course. Okay, so these are the faculties who will be teaching you this course. You can see Arpan Mangal, MTech from ISC, GATE All India rank 29. Pragati Kumar Singh, MTech from ISC, GATE All India rank 59. And Vishal, MTech from ISC, PhD from IIT Delhi, Google, and many things. Okay, so these are the faculties who will be teaching this course. This is the introduction to faculties. Okay, now let's come to the details of this course. Hi all, is my volume clear? Please tell me. Akash is saying that Deepak sir sound is little low. Please let me know. Is my volume fine? Let me know. Let me know. So Mona is asking, when will these faculties come online? They will come online to teach you. Okay, they will come online to teach you. As I told you, all of them, they are working as data scientists in different companies. Okay, so as I told you, so that is the reason. So they will teach, when they will teach you, they will teach you live. Okay, so now let me tell you the details of this course. The course is live plus recorded. Okay, some lectures will be live and some courses will be recorded. So let me tell you, some subjects will be recorded, some subjects will be provided to you recorded, and some subjects will be live. Okay, I will tell you which courses will be live. Okay, so let me tell you, some subjects will be live and some subjects will be recorded. Okay, and let me tell you, these live lectures, their recording also will be available. Okay, so the recording will be available, don't worry. For example, if you miss the live class, then the recording will be available, and this recording you can watch anytime, any number of times. Okay, so all these live sessions, every live session that we take, for that live session the recording will be available. Okay, recording will be available, and this recording you can watch anytime, any number of times. There is no limitation, like, okay, so you can watch it anytime and any number of times. There is no limitation that you can watch only 2 times, 3 times. No. Okay, anytime, any number of times you can watch all these recordings. Okay, so every live session the recording will be available. So as I told you, some subjects will be recorded, some subjects will be provided to you in the recorded format, and some subjects will be live. And the course will start from 21st August, that is tomorrow. Okay, so you can see the course will start tomorrow. Now let me tell you which subjects and which topics we will cover in this course. In this course, which topic and which subjects we will cover. So let me tell you that mainly this is the topic that we will cover. Okay, Sachin will tell you the complete discussion of this syllabus. I will, okay, so but let me tell you that this is the main part. Our main focus will be this, and this is a very big chunk of the syllabus. You can see this machine learning. If you note the syllabus, if you check the syllabus, this is the biggest, I can say this is the largest part of the syllabus. This is the largest part of GATE DA syllabus.
Yes, so don't
GATE,
go with the number of lines that this is the 4 lines, so this should be less. It's not like that. So basically, don't just go with the number of lines. If you just see the any of the topic here, it will take like I think 4 to 5 classes. I mean, it will depend on the topic also. So don't just go with the number of lines. That's what we are saying. It is the biggest chunk. So we want to majorly focus for this particular 2024 year. We want to majorly focus on the machine learning, because if we cover this, then the remaining part can easily be covered. So our main focus of all the faculties, which is Vishal, Pragati, and Arpan, will be mainly teaching this.
okay, so remember, this is going to be our main focus, and this complete syllabus we will teach you. Okay, this complete machine learning we are going to teach you. As I told you, this machine learning, we will teach you all the topics, the complete, I can say, this complete ML, all topics we will teach you. Okay, as I told you, this is going to be the main focus of this course, this machine learning. And this is a lot of, I can say, this syllabus, you can see, Sachin will tell you about this syllabus, but you can see this is a big part of the GATE DA course. As I told you, biggest part of the GATE DA course. Okay, now let me tell you one more thing, that there is linear algebra. Okay, from this linear algebra, some part we will teach and some topics we will not teach. Okay, because the time is less.
Yes.
Okay, one thing I want to tell you, that is the time is less. So if we teach you all the concepts from the syllabus, then we will not be able to do the justice to all the topics. Okay, I'm again very honestly I'm telling you, from the GATE DA syllabus. The GATE DA syllabus is very huge. Okay, every topic is very huge. Okay, whatever topic you are seeing, for example, if you see this, if you see this topic, okay, for example, this you can see SVM. Okay, so this SVM, this itself is very huge, as Sachin has told you. So every topic itself is very huge. Okay, so the point is simple, that if we teach you all the topics from the syllabus, if you teach you everything from the syllabus, we will not be able to do the justice to the concepts. Okay,
Right.
so we will teach you, we will let you know what we will teach you and what we will not be able to teach you, that we will let you know. Okay, but the machine learning we will completely teach. Some topics we will not be able to teach. Okay, so we are before launching this course, we are telling you what we will teach, what we will not teach. Okay, so before you enroll in this course, you can make your decision. Okay, so Sachin, please
Sure.
start. What we will teach, what we will not teach.
Okay. So in the probability, like we have already covered counting, permutation, combination. We have already covered in discrete mathematics. So we will be providing you this thing. So basically, this is already covered. Probability axioms already covered. Sample space events already covered. Independent events, mutually exclusive, everything is covered. Marginalization, and till the point, I think standard deviation. Okay. So Deepak, yes. So till standard deviation, everything is covered. Now correlation covariance. These two you can, Deepak, you can circle this. I think correlation covariance. So these two topics, the correlation covariance, these two topics actually we will not. I mean, I'm not saying that we will not be able to cover if time permits. So it is subject to the time. If time permits, then we will be covering it. Okay. So if time permits. Now similarly, all other topics has been covered, which means random variable, discrete random variable. These have already been covered in computer science. So we will be providing you the recordings of all the things. Okay, apart from correlation covariance, and also the below two lines which are hypothesis testing. Okay, the T distribution, chi-square distribution, cumulative. Okay, CDF is already covered, but conditional PDF is not covered. So yeah, these are covered, and the only, I can say, the only below two lines are not covered. Okay, everything is covered apart from correlation, covariance, and below two lines. Yes, so these things are not covered. So we will be providing you the recorded whatever has been covered in computer science. So don't worry about it. So this is not covered. This is called hypothesis testing. We might not be able to cover. Okay, we might be able to cover or might not be able to cover. So we are not promising it. That's the only thing we are saying. Okay, so like we are considering the time, so based on that we might not be able to cover. And second thing is that since we will not be able to cover, that's why our fees is also very nominal. We will reveal the fees in just a minute, I mean just a few in few minutes. But fees is nominal. Why we are keeping, I mean, it is even the very lower than nominal. Okay, the very lower than the standard price that it should have been. And we will be like, whatever faculty will be there, we will be basically, I mean, we have to spend our own money to accommodate the faculty. And that is that is because we have the less time, so we will not be able to cover all the topics. But we want to help all of you guys, because we have got many requests to start this course. So that is why we will be not be able to cover few topics. Might be covering, might not be covering. Okay.
See, the time is very less. It's all about time. Okay, as I told you, the time is very less. That is the reason we want to focus on machine learning. Okay, this biggest chunk, as I told you. Okay, so this biggest chunk of the GATE DA syllabus, we want to cover this very nicely, as I
We
told
will be
you.
covering, yes.
Okay, this we want to cover very in a very detailed way, or I can say in a very nice way. We will cover it. Okay,
You will
very
just
nicely.
love this.
We want to cover it.
Right. You
Okay.
will just see the mathematical, things that is happening here. And like we are extremely, confident about it, that you will love it. And also, if you compare this with for any other coaching, for GATE DA coaching, then I don't think there will be any fair comparison, because that will be too good. So we are confident about it. That's all we are saying.
Okay, so this is our main focus, as I told you. Okay, our main focus will be this chunk. This is our main focus. So we are telling you what we will not be able to cover, because time is very less, as I told you. Okay, so in this probability and statistics, all these things that I have marked, these things will not be covered. Okay, so you can see most of the things will be covered. You can easily notice the most of the area is already covered. We will cover the most of the area, but these things on your screen right now, these things will not be covered. We will cover most of the things. Okay, all the remaining things you can see, they will be covered, like normal distribution and all these things. Okay, all these things will be covered. Okay, so from probability and statistics, what we will cover, what we will not cover, so these things we are telling you. Okay. So now
Coming to
let's
the
see the
next,
next. Next is linear
linear
algebra.
algebra.
Yes.
Yes. So in the linear algebra, we will explicitly we have not covered this vector space and subspace. This I mean this is a small topic, but we will be covering it. So I mean till now we have not covered, but we will cover it because this will require just one lecture. Apart from that, we might not be able to cover this projection matrix that is there. Deepak, the second line, the first partition matrix, yeah, partition matrix, and the projection matrix. The second line, first word, yes. So the projection matrix we might not be able to cover. The quadratic forms, the third line, quadratic forms. So this thing, and also the last topic, which is singular value decomposition, SVD. So this we have not covered yet. We are saying that we, if time permits, again, then we will be covering it. Okay.
Again,
Everything else
all
has
these
been covered.
topics, you can see all these topics. So all these topics we might not be able to cover. Okay. If there will be time at the end, if there will be time, we will do. Okay. But we cannot promise you. Okay. So very honestly, we are telling you. Very honestly, right now we are telling you that these things will not be covered unless there is time. Okay, these things will not be covered unless we have enough time. Okay, unless time permits. So again we are telling you that these things we will not be able to cover. Okay, if there will be time, then we will cover, but we cannot promise. Okay, so honestly we are telling you. Okay, next.
Right.
Next is, so you can see, and again you can see in the linear algebra most of the things are covered. Okay, you can see most of the things will be covered, but these four topics will not be covered. If there will be time, we will do that, but we cannot promise you. Okay, so uh, okay, now let's see the next. Sachin,
Right.
calculus and optimization.
Yes, so we will be covering this completely. Till now, we have not covered this optimization involving a single variable explicitly and Taylor series. But in this particular course, we will be covering this completely.
Yes. So in this calculus and optimization, this will be completely covered. Okay, we will cover it completely.
Completely covered, yes.
Okay, so we will cover it completely. Okay, this we will cover. No topic we will leave. So this we will cover completely. Okay, all these topics, every
Yes.
topic, including the optimization. This is very important topic. Okay, this will also be covered. Okay, so remember this will be completely covered, including this optimization. This is a very important topic. Okay, so this also we will cover.
Right.
Sachin?
Yes.
Next, programming and data structure algorithm.
So all of the topics apart from programming in Python, we already have in computer science package very nicely covered with all the examples and everything. Okay, and whatever topics are listed here are actually covered in very depth. And we will also be covering programming in Python. So again, this will already this. I mean, most of the portion apart from the Python has already been covered. But for Gate DA, we will be covering everything. So including the Python programming.
Okay, so here Python programming also will be covered and everything. So I think this complete area will be covered, right?
Yes, yes.
So this complete area will be covered.
And also in linear algebra and probability, to be very, very honest, like although it seems like we have not covered something or like we will not be covering something, but it is very small portion. I mean, these are just definitions. Even if you want, you can cover it. But anyway, like you might not be having that much time. So whatever has been not covered in linear algebra and probability also, that also very less significant, very, very less significant. So basically, what we are trying to convey is that even if you study all other things that Go classes is going to provide for Gate DA, then it is very, very likely that you will nail this exam. I mean, there will be I can say 10% of the portion which we will be not be covering. That will be in the examination. But whatever we are covering, most of the exam, okay. I mean, most of the topics are very important topic, and most of the exam will be from that. So we are very confident that more than 80% of the exam will be from the topics we are covering. That is for sure.
So this data structure, you can see data structure programming algorithm, this complete area will be covered. Next is database management system. So for this, let me tell you that in this, I can say that this area, you can see till normalization. Yes. So till this, okay, I can say this area will be covered. Okay, this is the common area between Gate Computer Science and Gate DA. This will be covered. Okay, so let me tell you, this area will be covered. Okay, and this area will not be covered. Okay, the remaining area basically which is not in the Gate Computer Science. Okay, so this area will not be covered. Okay, but you can see most of the questions, I can say that most of the questions they will come from SQL. Okay, so most of the questions I think, okay, that they will come from SQL. So these topics, SQL, tuple relational calculus and relational algebra, From these topics, most of the questions will come. Okay, I think so. And similarly, indexing and all these things. So these topics will be covered. So you can see this area will not be covered and this area will be covered from the database. Now, this machine learning, you can see this machine learning, we will completely cover this machine learning. This machine learning will be covered completely. Sachin,
Yes.
you want to say something about the syllabus?
Yes, so basically, all of the topics that is listed here will be covered in depth. Whatever I mean, these are the research topic, obviously. So we will not be covering till the research level. We will be covering more than what GATE DA requires. This is the first thing. Second thing is that it like as you are very beginner, you people are very beginner, you might not know the depth of each topic. So you might think that this is very less syllabus and we are taking 3 to 4 months just to cover this. So let me tell you that there are many many academy and many pre-institutes or like that. So they cover this complete syllabus, obviously with the practical the things, with too high price and in I think in 1 year. So we will be covering very conceptually in 3 to 4 months whatever is required for gate DA. So this is a huge syllabus. You might think there is a small, but it's not about the number of lines, it's about the severity of the topic. Okay, so that's what I will say. So our main focus will be this machine learning.
Okay. So this main focus will be on the machine learning. So this we will cover. And because time is very less, I think we will not be able to cover it. This AI. Okay. So I think we will not be able to cover this part. Okay.
Right.
So this part we will not be able to cover. Because as I told you that this machine learning itself will take a lot of time. Okay. This machine learning, this area, this complete area, this itself is going to take a lot of time. Okay, so I can say the next 4 months, okay, I can say 3 or 4 months live classes will happen for machine learning. Okay,
Right.
so this last area, this AI, this area we will not be able to cover. Okay, so because the time is very less. Okay, now finally I want to tell you which courses will be live, which courses will be taught live. So this ML complete, this complete ML will be taught live. Okay, this complete ML, this complete machine learning, this will be taught live. Okay, so this will be taught live, remember. Okay, and the remaining topics they will be provided you recorded. And I think Python also,
Python, yes, Python.
yes, Python also will be taught live. Okay, so
Yes.
we will teach you the Python also, this Python also we will teach you live. And the I can say the remaining topics of calculus like optimization,
Optimization.
okay, optimization and Taylor series. Okay, so these things also will be taught live. So these things on your screen, I have written everything that will be taught live. So these things will be taught live. The rest, everything, the remaining everything will be recorded. Okay, the rest content will be provided to you in the recorded form. The rest in recorded form. Okay, so this is the point. Now some of you might be thinking that why are we not covering this? Okay, see, we can definitely cover, but I am saying that the time is very less. If we cover these topics also, then we will not be able to do the justice to this syllabus. As I told you, you can see this syllabus, this will take a lot of time. Okay, we have discussed with our faculties, Vishal, Arpan Mangal, Pragati, we have discussed with all of them, and they have told that this itself will take, I can say, 3 to 4 months. Okay, this syllabus, this one part you can see, this itself will take 3 to 4 months. So that is the reason, if we want to teach you this nicely, if we want to do the justice to this topic, then because time is less, so some topics we will some topics, like for example this topic, we will not be able to teach you. So we have told you what we will cover, what we will not cover. We have told you also, these are the things that we will teach you live. Okay, these things we will teach you live. The rest things will be in the recorded form. Okay, so everything about the syllabus, about this course we have told you. Sachin, anything you want to say?
No, I think yeah, I'm also like I've shared what I wanted to share. So let us just see the doubts also. I mean the comments that people are
So
saying.
every detail about this course we have told you. And if you want to know the price, if you want to know the price, then you can visit goclasses website. On the goclasses website you can find. Okay, so on the goclasses website you can find this gate DA course page. You can go to this course page. Okay, so visit this website, visit here, visit this website. Okay, and there you can find the course fees. The course fees you can find, the course fees is very minimal, let me tell you. Okay, this gate DA course fees, this is very minimal. Okay, so you can check it out. And in this course, as I told you, machine learning we will teach you completely. This complete ML we will teach you. and these topics like Python we will teach you, optimization and Taylor series, these things we will teach you. Very small portion we will not be able to cover.
That is actually very
I can
small.
honestly say that 80 to 85% syllabus I think we will be able to cover, right Sachin?
Right, right.
So 80 to 85% syllabus will be covered. Okay, you can say 80%, you can say, if you want, you can say 80%. So 80% syllabus will be covered. Okay, so this 80% syllabus, I can say this will be covered. Okay, now the remaining syllabus we will not be able to cover, as I told you. Okay, so if anyone has any doubt, you can ask. Some students are asking about test series, weekly quizzes. Those things we will announce in the future. Okay, so you can basically these things, test series, okay, test series and mock test. Okay, all these things we will announce in the future. These things will be announced in the future if there is any, if they will be launched. Okay, so we will announce in future. Right now we cannot announce it. Okay, so right now we cannot announce, but these we will announce in the future. Okay, if there will be test series, if there will be mock test, we will make that announcement in future. Anyone has any other doubt?
So,
Anyone has any other? Yes, Sachin, yes.
Surojit is saying that in the website, the course validity is 365 days. So, after the gate, will we be covering the remaining syllabus? So, the answer is like that. We will be covering, but that is for gate 2025. I mean, that will not be included in 2024 because we are taking the fees for whatever we are covering. Okay, if you really are if you're really interested in other portion that we are going to cover, you can enroll in the separate course that we will be launching. Okay, so you can enroll in separate AI, you can enroll in separate calculus or like that. So I think your question is answered, which is that will we be covering the remaining portion after the gate? Then it will be covered for 2025 DA, not for 2024.
Okay, if you enroll this year for the GATE DA course, then what I told you, what we will cover in this course this year, what we will cover, that will be available to you. Okay, next year we will, of course, next year we will launch GATE DA 2025 course. Next year we will launch that. In that course we will teach everything because there will be enough time. Okay,
Right.
in that course everything will be taught. Okay, we will have enough time for that. Okay, so but that course will be separate course. Okay, so as I told you, the fees is minimal. You can find this fees. You can find the price of the course. You can find on the goclasses website. Okay, this fees you can find on the goclasses website. You can visit this goclasses website. Okay, so just visit this page, and there you can find the GATE DA course, and there you can check the fees. Okay, so some students. Now, one thing I want to tell you right now. Okay, who should appear for this course? Basically, who should I can say who should appear for GATE DA course? Who should appear?
Yes, this
Who
is
should
very
prepare
important.
for this course? Who should prepare? Who should prepare for GATE DA course? Okay. See, very honestly, we will tell you. Okay, very honestly, we are going to tell you. Even though you know that we are launching a course. Okay, so still we will tell you everything very honestly that who should appear for this GATE DA course. Let me tell you, if you are thinking that I will prepare for GATE CS, the first point I want to tell you, if you are thinking that I will prepare for GATE CS plus GATE DA, I will prepare for both of them. If you are thinking like this, if you are thinking that I will prepare for both of them, then this is a very bad idea. Okay, very honestly, I'm telling you. Okay, as I told you, we are launching this course. So, still, very honestly, I'm telling you who should not, what you should not do, what you should not do. So, if you are thinking that I will prepare for GATE CS as well as GATE DA, I will prepare for both of them. If you are thinking like this, then this is a very, very, very bad idea. Let me tell you. Let me tell you, if you do this, then it is possible that you will ruin both of them. It is possible. Again, I'm telling you, this is a very bad idea. Very bad idea. Okay, so if you are thinking that I will prepare for both of them, please don't. Please don't. Okay, this is my request to you. Please don't do that. Okay, so you will ruin both of them. Both these courses you will ruin. Okay, so this is the one thing I want to tell you. Very honestly, I want to tell you. One more thing I want to tell you, that if you are preparing for GATE Computer Science, then keep preparing for GATE Computer Science. If you are a GATE CSE aspirant, okay, for last few months, for last few years, if you are preparing for GATE CSE, okay, if you want to crack the GATE CSE, if this is your desire, very honestly, I am telling you that if you are GATE CSE aspirant, if you want to cover, if you want to crack it, if this is your desire that I want to crack gate CSE. Okay, if you want to crack gate CSE, then please completely focus on gate CSE. Please completely focus on gate CSE. Okay, even though we are launching the course, okay, still I am honestly telling you these things are for your benefit. Okay, very honestly I am telling you all these things, because if you prepare for gate DA as well as gate CSE, both of them, if you prepare for them together, you are thinking that I will crack both of them, then that is a very bad idea. Okay, you will ruin both of them, you will ruin it. Okay, so that is the one thing. The second point, if you are a gate CSE aspirant, if you want to crack gate CSE, if this is your dream to crack gate CSE, then please focus on it, then please completely focus on it. Okay, completely dedicate yourself for this, completely focus on gate CSE, completely focus on gate CSE. This is what I'm saying. See, there are some videos on the YouTube, there are some videos, and in those videos people are telling you that how can you crack gate CSE as well as gate DA. Some videos I have seen, gate CS and gate DA, how can you prepare for both of them. Okay, there are some videos on the YouTube. I want to tell you that if you do this, then in my opinion this is a very bad idea. Okay, you will ruin this also, you will ruin this also. So please don't do that. Okay, please don't fall in this trap. Okay, so I can say this is a very big trap. Don't fall in this trap. Okay, and if your dream is to crack gate CSE, if this is your dream, then also please completely focus on it. Then who should prepare for gate DA? Sachin, would you
Yes.
like to tell who
Yes,
should
sure.
prepare?
So basically, the people, like I'm saying, the people who are currently in the first year, second year, or they have not decided to basically prepare for the gate, and they are still in the decision that okay, they want to prepare for the gate. This is one thing. Second thing is that, like as Deepak is saying, that who has not invested time in gate CSE. Okay, so first year, second year students, they can consider, or maybe gate 2025 aspirants can consider switching to gate DA. Gate 2025 aspirants, so I can say. And the third category could be, I mean, in general, the third category could be that those who have not invested much time in gate CSE. Okay, so those who have not invested much time in gate CSE, like they can switch to the gate DA. But if you have already invested, let's suppose 5 months, 6 months, or maybe even 4 months, then you should not switch. Okay, it is not a good idea to switch now. So those who have not invested time in the gate CSE, I think this
Yes,
covers all the category.
if you are preparing for gate CSE for last few months, okay, for
Right.
last 4 5 months, for last 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, if you are already preparing for gate computer science, gate CSE, please focus on that. Okay, please focus on that. Okay, and one more thing. So who can decide, who can think that okay, I should prepare for gate DA? Have, for example, if you are a first year student, second year student, or if you are gate 2025 aspirant, gate 2026 aspirant, you can also think, okay, if you have interest, okay, so then you can also think. And one more thing, if you have already gone, if you are already a college student, if you are already, I can say, master's student, if you are already a master's student, then for knowledge you can enroll for this course. Okay, master's student, if you are
Yes.
already doing your masters, your MTech, MS, okay, if you are doing from some college, if you are already doing some from some college, then you can enroll for this course. Okay, then basically your purpose is not to cover the gate DA. Your purpose will not be to crack the gate DA, but your purpose will be to learn machine learning. As I told you, this machine learning will be taught to you by these faculties. I have given to you the introduction of faculties. So these most eligible faculties, I can say, these faculties will teach you the gate machine this machine learning course. Okay, so if you are already doing masters from some college, okay, then you can, for knowledge purpose, to improve your skills, you can enroll for this course. Okay, so this is our honest suggestion to all of you. Okay, so anyone has any doubt, let me know. Yuvraj is asking, when will you launch GATE 2025 DA course? So this GATE DA 2025 course, when we will launch? So this we will launch next year. Okay,
Yes,
GATE DA
after the exam.
2025 course. This we will launch next year. Okay, next year I can say March 2024. Okay, so we will launch. We will launch next year.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone has any other doubt?
Kumar is asking, will there be any concession for enrolled get CSE enrolled student? The answer is no. Like the reason is obvious. The reason is that we are discussing that we are not encouraging our enrolled student to prepare for GATE DA. Okay, so because if we provide them discount or don't we don't provide them discount, in our opinion, this course will not be useful for them. So that's why we are not encouraging them to enroll them, because they are already they have already invested some time in GATE CSE. This is the first reason. Second reason is that we have kept our fees to be in fact lower than the nominal price. So the content quality and the teachers efforts, you will see, so whatever we are going to teach is worth more than what we are taking. So that is the reason we are not providing the discount for already GATE CS enrolled students, because these two are different products.
Okay, so if you are enrolled in GATE CSE course, okay, if you are enrolled in GATE CSE course, then there is no special, there is no separate discount. Okay, if you are already GATE CSE enrolled course, okay, if you are enrolled student, then there is no special discount. Okay, there is no special discount, because as I told you, already fees is very less. Okay, already we have kept the fees very minimal, and so that is the reason there is no special discount. Okay, one doubt Gaurav is asking, so let me clear that. Gaurav is asking that if we focus on GATE DA course, then syllabus will be more delayed. This is what Gaurav is asking. Or Gaurav is saying, if DA course is launched, then CSE syllabus will be more delayed. No, Gaurav, it will not happen. As I told you, GATE DA course faculties are different. Okay, you can see the faculties of GATE DA course, they are separate. I have already told you the separate faculties. Yes or no, Gaurav? Gaurav, did you get your answer? For GATE DA, we have separate faculties. Okay, my and I can say my and Sachin's focus will be on GATE computer science only.
Completely.
Okay,
So our focus.
for our focus, okay, I can say my focus and Sachin's focus. Our focus will be on GATE DA course, on GATE CSE course. Okay,
Right.
as I told you, there are separate faculties for GATE DA course. Okay, we have separate faculties, and these are very eligible faculties. Let me tell you, very eligible faculties, because they have experience of the industry for more than 2 years. For more than 2 years, these faculties are the data scientists in the companies. Okay, they are already data scientists. They are already data scientists for more than 2 years. Okay, so these are, I can say, these are very eligible faculties. They will teach you the GATE DA course. Okay, Gaurav, did you get your answer? So our focus, Sachin and my focus will be on GATE computer science course only this year. This year, okay? And for this year, I can say, actually for the next year also, because see, we believe that every course should be taught by those who are eligible to teach that course. Very simple point, okay? So very simple point. So that is the reason I am saying, we are teaching you GATE DA course. We are launching this GATE DA course, okay, with the most eligible faculties. We want to bring to you the most eligible faculties, the faculties who have the ability to teach you the course, who have the knowledge, ability, experience, okay, skills. So those faculties we are bringing to you to teach the GATE DA course. Okay,
Right.
so very simple point. Okay, so anyway, this is the point, that GATE DA course, this is taught by separate faculties. I have already given to you the introduction of faculties. I have already told you, and our focus, my and Sachin's focus will be on GATE computer science only. Okay,
Deepak,
any other doubt, anyone?
can you also tell the first live class, and before that what we are providing, so it will
Yes.
clear the doubts.
So this information, that first live class will happen from first live session. First live session will happen on 1st September. On 1st September, okay? So first live session will happen on 1st September, and before that, I can say from 21st August to 30th August. Okay, so I can say in this range, we will provide you LA, linear algebra, and probability.
Probability.
Okay, we will provide you linear algebra plus probability. Recorded lectures will be provided to you. Okay, so I can say in this range, in these 10 days, linear algebra plus probability, these recorded lectures will be provided to you. These recorded lectures. Okay. And the first live class, I can say this first live class will happen from 1st September. What will happen? Machine learning will start. from 1st September. From 1st September, this ML course will start.
Live.
The ML course will start live. Sachin, you want to say something?
Yes, so actually for ML, we need a little bit, I mean, not little bit, since we are teaching it to the depth. So linear algebra and probability are very much required, and also little bit of the calculus. So that's why we are providing those linear algebra and probability as a prerequisite. So if it is possible, you watch that. If it is not possible for you to cover in 10 days, that is perfectly fine, because as the course proceeds, you can watch with the course, with the machine learning course also, you can watch linear algebra and probability. But it is our duty to provide that before the ML starts. That's why we are giving you 10 days of time. Okay.
So someone is asking, Rito Brata Ghosh is asking, why don't you focus more on possible question patterns and problems? There are already great places to learn machine learning. So
We
I want
don't
to
do
say
it
that,
here.
of course, every content is available on the internet. Okay, but it's all about that. I can tell you that there is Andrew NJ course for machine learning. Okay, there is already that is available, right? Okay, in IITs, ISC Bangalore, if you go to any top college, the students who are in those colleges, students who are doing MTech, they will study Andrew NJ course. Okay, right, Sachin?
Yes.
So there is that course available, but still, did you study? Okay, it's all about that. See, it's all about that. Very simple point. Okay, so and one more thing, because see, there is no past exam for GATE DA. There is no past exam. This is the first time GATE DA will happen. So honestly speaking, like which question they will ask, okay, that we also don't know, right? So what we can do, we can teach you the concepts. Of course, questions will come from the concepts, right? For example, if we teach you database concepts, if we teach you SQL, questions will come from the concepts. Okay, the questions will only be created from the concepts. So what we can do, we can teach you the concepts. We will teach you the concepts. Okay, so then you can whatever question comes in the exam, I think you will be able to solve. Okay, because anyway, whatever question they will create, if they are creating some question from regression, we are teaching you regression. Okay, we will teach you regression. We will take examples. We will take many examples. We will teach you the concept of regression. We will give you examples of regression. Then if some question comes in the GATE exam, you can handle it. Okay, so that's the simple point, right? Anyone has any other doubt, let me know. Please ask all your doubt. So Abhishek is asking, he's in IIT Guwahati already. So is this course helpful for him? Sachin, you want to answer?
Yes, definitely. Actually, when I was in ISC, I wish that that kind of course could have launched. The reason is simple, because me and Deepak very well know the faculty that we are bringing in here. So we know the kind of depth and the kind of like, I mean, from the scratch it is going to be the course, right? So I wish that this kind of course could have been there in my ISC, because let me tell you, in ISC I have purchased one course that was I don't remember the the price. Actually, I and along with two three other friends have purchased some other machine learning course, because in IIT or ISC you know that professors are too talented, but they're teaching they do not believe in teaching most probably. So they teach the raw material, and then we have to do by ourselves. So that's why I have to enroll in some other online course at that time, and that was too costly. If I remember, it was I think 50,000 something. So if that kind of course could have been there at that time, then it could have been really very beneficial. So you should definitely enroll if you want to learn the machine learning concepts, okay? Because those concepts will be from the basic and in the depth. So you should definitely enroll, and
So
it will be worth money.
actually, Abhishek, you are already in IIT Guwahati, right? So now I suggest you to watch our engineering mathematics course. Okay, this is what I want to suggest to you. Okay, so please watch our engineering mathematics course. This is freely available. Okay, so this engineering mathematics, this complete course is freely available for all the students. Okay, so this complete course, this is already free. So I suggest you to watch this course, and you will get to know the quality of the course. It's very simple. Okay, so this complete course is freely available
Right.
for all on the goclasses website. You can just visit the goclasses website. You can just visit this website, and there you can find this engineering mathematics course. You can find. Okay, so please watch this course, and you will get to know the quality of the course. Okay, so you can decide, you can take your decision based on that. Okay, anyone has any other doubts? So
So Devanjana is asking, sir, can you provide book or reference material for that won't be covered? Yes, we will be providing you the book name for the syllabus that we are not covering like AI. But to be honest, it is not possible for you to read from the book, particularly for those topics, because those topics are not very conventional topic that you can very easily understand. Okay, even though we can tell you the list of the reference material, we will be telling you, don't worry, but still I suggest you that you don't read the books because you won't be able to. Okay, so we will tell you the reference material for AI because we are not covering it, but we suggest that you will not be able to cover it because you are very beginner in that. Okay, you need some good experts to teach you in the first go, and later obviously you can pick from the book.
See, as I told you, we are already covering almost 80% course. Okay, almost 80% syllabus we are already covering. So even if you cover it, okay, even if you understand this nicely, so this almost 80% course syllabus of GATE DA, we are covering it. Okay, this will be covered. This we are covering. Okay, so now you can, if you understand this almost whatever we are covering, if you understand that also, then I can definitely say that you will top the this GATE exam,
Right.
this GATE D exam. I can tell you, if you understand this machine learning, that itself is very big area. Okay, machine learning, probability, statistics, optimization, linear algebra, DBMS, algorithm, data structure, Python, all these things we are covering. Okay, so if you cover that syllabus also, okay, so then I think you will definitely be able to crack the GATE DA. You will definitely get a top rank in the GATE DA if you can cover that nicely. Okay, if you understand everything.
Abhishek is asking how much daily content will you uploaded. So we will be providing you some recordings, right? And then we will be taking one live class daily. So there will be one daily live class, and we will be providing the recorded course also.
This linear algebra and probability, these recorded lectures will be provided to you. Okay,
Yeah,
this
DBMS.
will be provided to you. I can say on 21st August, right, Sachin?
Yes, we will
Okay,
upload.
so yeah, on 21st August, this will be provided to you. We will give you 10 days time, okay, so that you can go through these concepts. Then machine learning will start in the live classes. Okay, so I can say on 20th, 1st August, it will be available. And then remember, till 30th August, okay, you can cover as much as possible, you can cover. And then, of course, as much as possible you can cover, but whatever you can cover in these 10 days. And then ML classes, ML live classes will start.
Yeah.
ML live classes will start from
First
1st
of
September.
September.
Okay, live classes from 1st September. ML machine learning. Okay, this live classes will start from 1st September. Okay, so I think all the doubts, actually students are asking most of the doubts which we have already covered in this session. Okay, see, some students are asking how much DBMS will be covered, when GATE DA 2025 will start. Okay, so all these doubts we have already answered in this video. Okay, you can just watch it, this video, this complete session, please watch it. Okay, there is no point in telling the same things again and again. Okay,
Right. And also you
so
can.
Saurav is there.
Yes.
Sachin, Saurav is there. Saurav Misra, our GATE computer science topper from
Okay.
IIT. He's in IIT Kharagpur right now.
Right.
Saurav,
Right.
how
Right.
are you? Saurav is saying that यहाँ ML heavy हो रहा है, आपने hope दे दिया. Okay. So, Saurav, see you in our GATE DA course. Okay, you can study ML from Vishal, Arpan, Pragati. Okay, you can study ML from them.
Okay. And also, whatever doubts you have, it is better if you just comment after the video, because there we will be just putting the answers, and you can just cross question if you have any other doubt. So just comment out. Okay. Don't hesitate to comment. We will be answering all of the doubts.
Okay, so comment your doubts. We will take another session to answer only these doubts. Okay, so you can comment all your doubts. Whatever doubts you have, just comment. Okay, just comment on this video. Whatever doubts you have, comment. And to answer all these comments, we will take another live session. Okay, we will take another session. We will take another session. Another session we will take just to answer all these doubts.
Yes. If there is
Okay,
any other
so
doubt in the Get DA course, we will be taking that live.
Okay, so the orientation session also will be there. Okay, so I can say before we start the live sessions, as I told you that these live sessions will start. The ML live sessions will start from 1st September. Before that, we will take one orientation session also. Okay, before that, we will take one orientation session also. orientation session also will happen. I can say we can take the orientation session on 1st September. Okay. So on 1st September, we will take the orientation session. In this session, we will tell you everything. Okay. And but whatever are your comments before enrolling this course, before enrolling this GATE DA course, if you have any doubts, any comments, any queries, then you can comment. Okay. Please put a comment. We will take another live session to answer all these doubts. Okay. Okay. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. So please let us know, are you excited for this course? Let us know in the comments. Okay. Please let us know in the comment.
Thank you, everyone. See you in the GATE DA course. We are very excited, and we hope that you all are equally excited. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.